What's up, everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Welcome back to another vegan recipe because if you remember, this month, it's Veganuary. And today, we're making one of my favorite cookies, peanut butter. Let's get started. If you've been watching the channel for a while now, you know that I love fast recipes. It's not that I'm always busy, but you know, when you're hungry, right? Okay, so these whip up in no time at all. But the first thing we have to do, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna start with the peanut butter. And I was thinking about getting a spatula. Do I need a spatula? No, forget it. Forget it. Not important. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Okay, good. Next thing you want to do is add the brown sugar. So I'm going to mix this up first before adding in anything else. And you want a nice, smooth, creamy looking batter. This is going to take a while. I'll be back. Okay, this batter is very, very thick. If you can see it, you can pretty much make it into a ball if you wanted to. That's not what we want at this stage. So we are going to loosen it up by adding our vanilla extract. Now to this, I am gradually going to slowly. Good job. I am gradually going to add in my almond milk, because if I do it at one time, it's just gonna slosh about in there and then take forever to mix. So I'm gonna add it in about like 3 times, thirds, right? There we go. I speak English, really. All right, so after the first one, the first addition of the milk, you will notice a quick and drastic change. It is now spreadable. You're gonna add in your second part of your almond milk, then the third. Then we're gonna move on to the dry ingredients. All right, that is done. It is smooth and glossy and beautiful. All right, now, just as a side note, make sure when you add in the brown sugar that you don't have any like hard clumps in there. You know, most people don't wanna have, you know, a huge chunk of brown sugar when they bite into their cookie. So yeah, make sure it is nice and smooth, just like that. Okay, so with the dry ingredients, everything just gets dumped in. It is beautiful. Well, kind of dumped in. It is still beautiful. You're gonna add in a bit of your whole wheat flour. To that, you're gonna add in all of your salt and all of your baking soda. The flour you're gonna add in gradually because it's going to get gradually difficult, more and more difficult as you stir, because you want a nice thick batter that you can roll into little balls. So I am going to do just that. So once the flour is incorporated, go ahead and add the next. Again, you're gonna do this in 3s as well. So now it's time for the second part. Okay, so I'm on to the last little bit. This is gonna be the hardest part, but get that flour all beautifully combined, and then you're ready to put them on to a cookie sheet. Cool, batter's ready to go. It is perfect. So now what we're gonna do, take a spoon, or if you have a little, what are they? The little ice cream scoops. You can use those as well. But I've washed my hands, and I'm just going to take a small portion, roll it into a ball about yay big, and line them up on the cookie sheet. right, so like I said, 350 degrees, and they're gonna go in for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on if you want chewy to a little harder cookie. 12 minutes, 12, 13 minutes, perfect. All right. You guys, these are so good. Just the perfect amount of chew. I left them in for about 13 minutes. Perfect, I love them so much. Nice, beautiful brown on the bottom. So good. You gotta give them a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. If you click right over here, it is the delicious recipe for veggie phyllo pie that I made last week. And if you click right over here, it is another delicious vegan chocolate cake recipe. You're gonna love it, trust me. All right guys, love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video.